Okay, just kidding. The world of digital income can be very difficult. Welcome to Life. It's Anthony Scott, and right about now, we're going to talk about how we're going to make you a digital income. So, how we're going to make you a digital income now and moving into the future. If you feel like it's impossible, I want you to join the CIA. How we're going to make you digital income is in a few different ways. Yes, you can create courses for the beginner and sell courses. That's one way that I teach. The other way that I teach is all these photo stock websites. How many photos are sitting in your phone right now waiting for somebody to pay for them? I'm going to teach you a few different ways that work for making digital income. Adobe Stock Contributor is a well-known trusted site, and it has its own marketplace, so this means no marketing here. And how many photos are in your camera roll that you could potentially upload to Adobe Stock Contributor and start making $1 per download? You don't think that's a lot of money until it starts compounding. The next thing I'd like to think about is stock video. A lot of phones have 4K or better capabilities, and selling stock video, there's a handful of websites that you can go to. I'll put them down in my description. With stock video websites, think about it, it's a compounding effect. Why not get paid for stuff that you already have? Now, yes, of course, you have to have it free of people, or if you have people in them, you need a little release form. There's a lot of stock video that you can get paid for by simply uploading it. You can go to multiple different websites to do this. You can upload it to 5 different websites if you'd like. For every one stock video that you have, that's possible 5 times that you can go earn on one digital asset that you created. So reading the website's terms and understanding the formats they want, the video formats. So there's plenty of websites like that. There's top 5 that are trusted. I'll put in the description below. But then very lastly is what I teach at the Course Income Accelerator. The Course Income Accelerator teaches you how to start with any skill, and then how to figure that skill out, and then how to do and get paid with creating digital leverage, which is courses. Now, this is something people come to you and ask for your help all the time. What are you the go-to with what skill, right? We're asking you to create a course for a beginner. So just think about it. If you got skills in, I don't know, pick something. Video, right? What was the first few things that could have helped you as a beginner into video, right? So that might mean you're creating a course to accomplish one thing, and I teach you how to do this, all whether you have a YouTube audience or you don't, it does not matter. And your tech level can be literally 0. They teach you all the way down to where to click and how to do this. It's the cheapest price to change your life, guys. I can't believe it. It is just so awesome to be in a digital age where the photos in your phone can get you paid. The videos in your phone or the videos you go out and create can get you paid. One video can go to 5 websites or more, right? The same with photos. And it's so beautiful that I teach all this in the CIA, and that's the Course Income Accelerator. You can literally drop your email and check out my 0 marketing income formula. Okay, I enjoy doing this, creating digital assets. And I know the thought of making a bunch of mini sales, once you start firing up a small engine of stuff, whether you come into my program and you get lifetime access, and I have the private group closed right now, which means it's even more affordable for you to jump in. Once the private group opens back up, then it goes up a few $100s. So you could jump in right now and start learning how to do stock video, stock photo. It's more than a side hustle. Once you start compounding it, it works really well to start creating a digital income right now. I'm sure you have photos that meet the requirement for this, but I absolutely love this and how to teach anybody from any skill set, any walk of life, whether they want to be a creator or they don't want to be a creator, whether they want to just get out there and start helping people with their programs. Great, you can be an introvert and do this from home, but I would strongly suggest for anybody thinking about creating a digital income, it's not passive income. It is after you set it up. I've had students that focus on the course creation and get their first sale by the weekend. And then I got students that continue in the Course Income Accelerator, and it gets lifetime updates. I might update it with a new training or something new that I haven't talked about on my YouTube channel before. You might be like, oh, this is awesome. Anyways, guys, I want to help you make more money.